So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. These are final results after using the hair straightener. So the package came in with some masks. I liked them, and I also got a glove from these guys I ordered online. And so this is also the user manual, and at the back you'll see that they named the parts of the hair comb, which is really nice. So I had to do a little bit of the zooming in on the teeth of the hair comb, the hair straightener, so you can see exactly what you'll be working with, if it's suitable for you. Yeah, so just a bit of it. And so I had to order a black one, and it's exactly what I got. So yeah, so there's the voltage, and you can just see everything. So here's the plug. This is what you'll plug into your sockets. Yeah, so it's plugged in, and the one I'm touching right now is the power button. The one I'm touching right now is the plus button, and there's also the minus button. That is to control the heat on the comb. So once it's no longer blinking, like once all the lights are full, you can bet it's safe for use and it's ready for use. So I just took the comb. So you have to be a little bit careful, as you could easily touch the power button and turn it off, and you'll have to start all over again. And so I went in with my comb. So you have to evenly split your hair and hold it tight such that you can get the hair inside the comb, and then you just go in and have it straightened. You have to be a little bit patient, as you just don't go in and just brush it down like that. You have to be a little bit patient, and as you can see, it's working. It's straightening my hair, and so this is something I could use every day. Like when I'm in a rush, I could just carry it around and use it to my convenience. So you can carry it when you're going on vacations. Yeah, as it could fitly easily, it fits easily into your bag, and so you don't have to worry about it being bulky. So I also went in, after straightening my hair, I went in with my normal comb. This is the comb I use every day for my hair, and so to just achieve the best results, I would recommend that you use hair food on your hair first. And so after use, turn it off and then switch off at the switch. And so there I am, looking pretty, looking all good. I hope you get yours today and look amazing. Yeah, so I actually have a date today, and so this is the look I'll be rocking today. And of course, I'll have to do some heels and obviously a nice leather jacket. Leather jacket goes with everything, so let's keep it locked. Keep it Nyambura Gladys. I'll see you next time. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so you can see notifications every time I post something new. Yeah.